Question 16. So we're told that 1 centimetre represents 100 metres, and point T is 250 metres from point A. And we're also told that point T is equal distance from point B and point C. So first things first, let's go and pop in the line which is equal distance from B and C. So here's B and C. So we need to know all the points that are the same distance from both B and C. So we need to put in what's called a perpendicular bisector between B and C. So go and get your compass out and go and do a compass length greater than halfway but less than all the way up to B. So really that's what I've done here with this red one. So putting the point here, do a great big loop with your compass, and then without changing the width on your compass, now move the point over to here and do another big loop. That's this second red loop here, and then get your ruler out and go and join in the straight line that goes through the 2 points where those two reds overlap. So that's my green line there. Now basically that green line is the set of points which are equidistant from B and C, meaning every one of these points, if you were to go from it to C or from it to B, it is the same length. Take this one right down here. That length to B and that length to C would be the same. So think of that green line as a set of points rather than a line in itself. So we're told that point T is equidistant from B and C. So T is somewhere on that green line. Now the second bit of information we've got is that point T is 250 meters from point A. Now because we've got 150 meters being 100 meters being 1 centimeter, to convert that 250 meters into centimeters, we need to divide it by 100, giving us 2.5 centimeters. So getting your compass out, just go and do an arc from A, which is 2.5 centimeters along, and that gives us a big arc here. So that point there must be the one that is equidistant, which is point T, because it is 2.5 centimeters from A, but also equidistance between B and C. I think you would also just have been fine getting your ruler out once you had that green line and just measuring 2.5 centimeters and from A to when you hit the green line, because that's all effectively what that purple line is doing.